At our organization, students gain real-world exposure through internships, industrial visits, workshops, and project opportunities, all guided by specialized training from industry experts. We provide hands-on experience with advanced instruments such as HPLC, LCMS, MS, GC, OV, and ELISA, while also supporting UG, PG, and PhD students with project work and thesis development. Alongside, we conduct dynamic seminars and workshops designed to bridge academics with industry needs. Our programs cover a broad spectrum: clinical trials and BA studies, bioanalytical research using LCMS and ELISA, formulation and analytical development, biosimilar development, upstream and downstream, as well as pharmacovigilance and cloning. Through these initiatives, we empower students with practical skills, cutting-edge knowledge, and industry-ready expertise, shaping them into future professionals equipped to excel in a competitive global landscape.